Hello, welcome back to Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Rituals. You are listening to Money Lessons, and today's money lessons under earning money is rich people focus on opportunities. They see opportunities, and poor people see obstacles. Rich people are solution oriented, and poor people are always playing a blame game and they focus only on the problems. When they focus on the problems, they cannot find a solution. Rich people see only the vision and the potential growth, and poor people see the potential loss. Rich people focus on the rewards, and the poor people focus on the risk. Is the glass half empty or half full? We are not talking about the positive things here. We are talking about your habitual perspective on the world. Poor people make choices based on their fear. Their minds are constantly scanning for what is wrong or what could go wrong in any situation. Their primary mindset is, what if it does not work? What if I fail? What if it won't work? Middle class people are slightly optimistic. Their mindset is, I'm sure this works. Rich people, as we have said earlier, take the responsibility for the results in their lives and act on the mindset that it will work because I will make it work. Rich people always expect to succeed. They have confidence in their abilities, they have confidence in their creativity, and they believe they can do it. Generally speaking, higher the reward, higher the risk, because they constantly see the opportunity, and rich people are willing to take the risk. Rich people believe that if it worst comes to worst, they can always make their money back. So if the person with the millionaire mindset, a rich mindset, he is more confident even if there is no money in his bank account. By any mistakes, he is in negative cash flow, he is more confident, I can make it back. I can bounce back and win again in life. Poor people, on the other hand, they lack confidence in themselves and in their abilities, and they believe that how the things will not work because they constantly see only the obstacles and they are unwilling to take risk. You can change this mindset to the rich mindset, thinking how rich people think. For the record, being willing to take risk does not necessarily means that you are willing to lose. Rich people take the educated risk. This means they do the research and do their due diligence and make decisions based on the old information and the facts. Do rich people take forever to get educated? No, they do what they can in short as a time as possible, and they make the informed decision based on the facts and not the opinions of the people who have failed. Poor people claim to be preparing for an opportunity. What they are usually doing is stalling. They are scared to death even for many months or many weeks, many years, and by the time they think, the opportunity usually disappears. The point is, there is no luck or anything else worthwhile will come your way unless you take some form of action. Another key principle which I would like to tell, that the rich people focus on what they want while the poor people focus on what they don't want. And the universal law states that what you focus on expands, because rich people focus on the opportunities in everything. Opportunities amount for them, and the biggest problem in handling all the incredible money making possibilities they see. So, your field of focus determines what you find in your life. Focus on the opportunities and that you will find. I'm not saying that you don't take care of problems, handle the problems as they arise in the present, but keep your eye on your goal, keep moving towards your target, put your time and energy in creating what you want. When obstacles arise, handle them and quickly refocus on your vision. You do not make your life about solving problems. You don't spend all your time fighting fires. Those who do, they move backward. You spend your time and energy in the thought and the deed, moving steadily forward toward your goal. Now, do you want some simple and extremely rare advice? Yes. If you want to go get rich, focus on making, keeping, and investing your money. If you want to be poor, focus on spending on your money, and you can read so many books and take so many courses on success, but what you focus on, it expands. So rich people also understand that you can never know all the information and be perfect beforehand. We train during this millionaire mind frequency that how you can jump to the next level. So put your hand on heart and see, I focus on opportunities over obstacles, and I have a millionaire mind. I am developing a millionaire mind. Stay tuned.